just out of sleeping, drinking, smoking on some medicine. And we like to have our parties leaning towards the feminine. Always rep our city cause you know we from the west side. Always keep it.
So we're here right now in Pakse. We might go down and back, or we might do another night and go there where all the good waterfalls are and then back. Time to head out. You okay with being in my video?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Sweet. Alright, Pau, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. And we're off! Off like a herd of turtles. Alright, just filled up all the way. Come on, get there. Close enough. There's about 450 Canadian, I think, to fill it, 25K, so whatever the conversion rate is. Time to make a beeline out of the city. Let's go. First pee break. The road is pretty nice. Stopping to get some coffee.
Because also this valve and everything.
Coffee time. Getting some lunch now. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good dog. He's so cute. We're playing with fireworks and we kind of scared her. Or him. Hello. Whoa. Alright, after a while of driving, the first waterfall. Check it out. And this one's free. Look how big it is.
And the stairs are also nice.
Super nice. Wow. Got a rock climb to get down. Those stairs. Wow. Woo! Oh yeah. That's nice.
Skinny dipping by the poolside. Hand me the tequila cause I'm feeling like a Mexican. Chasing with caffeine, now I can feel it, my adrenaline. I'll be drinking, doing this until the day I must die. Never gonna doubt that I know how to have a good time. When it comes to life, you gotta balance all the ethics and take a risk or you won't miss it, pass away regretting it. I just wanna look back and remember all the good times. Fill my life with memories of late nights and some good times. Big stage, big crowd, everybody get loud. Backstage in the south, up north in the clouds. Wolves never get it down as we overcome the drought. Just party so loud cause we made it somehow. Tank top, snap back, yeah we run it like that. Reppin' suits and make cash, yeah we never look back. G6 in the sky, yeah we like to fly by. Lambo so tight.
That is awesome. Settled for the night. We found a spot, saw the elephants, swam in a waterfall. It's a pretty good day. It's a Pau and I guest house. It's very nice, and we're gonna have a family dinner. Good day so far. Good day.
Good day. We play with the elephants. With the ice
Pau fed a banana to the elephant.
So far, so good.
Absolutely. We sleep here tonight. Shouldn't be too bad.
We just had a sippin', drinking, smoking on some medicine. And we like to have our parties leaning towards the feminine. Always rep our city cause you know we from the west side. Always keep it filthy cause you know we from the best side. Bitches always knocking on my door and yeah, let 'em in. Cause the ladies know that I'm a motherfucking gentleman.